Welcome to CSONS at Home. Okay, so this week we're going a bit Italian basically. So on the starter, I've made some gnocchi. We got some blue cheese. We've used Perl, so it's a little bit like I don't know, like a softer sort of Italian cheese. We've got some delicious walnut salsa. Some very nice crown prince squash that we've sort of roasted in a bit of garlic and chilli. Then we've got like a sage butter and some deep fried sage leaves. All right, first step is get our pan hot basically. So pan on a sort of medium-high heat. We're just going to try and colour up the squash and then heat the gnocchi in there. But we're going to melt our butter first. So it might look like a lot of butter, but the gnocchi is going to sort of soak some of it up. They can just start get them around the pan. So I'll just turn it down a little bit so we don't burn. Then we go straight in with our squash first. So we don't really want to burn the butter, so I've just turned it down a bit. I'm just going to melt it out. Get these sort of fried off. Then we'll put the gnocchi in that will soak up all the butter and colour them off a little bit too. Once the butter's pretty much melted and you can see there's a little bit of caramelisation on some of the sides of squash, you can take them as far as you want really, but we're not going to give them to you too caramelised. I'll put my gnocchi in. Once you get the gnocchi in, you kind of need to keep it moving, otherwise the gnocchi is going to stick. Okay, so I'm pretty happy that they're all coated, all nice and hot. Okay, so I'm happy. A little bit of caramelisation on there. Good to go. So I'm just going to take my gnocchi and my squash and sort of pile it up a little bit in the middle. And we'll use that butter in a sec, so we'll just leave that there for now. Take our Welsh Italian blue cheese if you like. Some of the walnut salsa. Just going to sort of drop it about everywhere really. And some of these quite dainty little sage leaves that break and snap very easily. We're just going to finally sort of dot them about a little bit. Obviously being very gentle so they don't crumble. It's a pretty mega dish, I reckon. Final little drizzle of any of the butter that's left in the pan.